Hi there. Today, we'll learn how to export diagrams from your projects. First, let's export a diagram from a diagram project. Open your desired diagram from the dashboard. Click the export icon in the top right corner to open the export panel. You'll see three formats: PDF, image, or Slickplan XML. Choose the one that suits your needs. If you select PDF, you can customize the orientation and paper sizes. Don't forget the Fit to Page option for resizing your diagram. Slickplan XML lets you import your flowchart into another account for easy sharing. Once you've made your choices, click Export, and you're all set. Now, let's move on to exporting from a site planning project. Click on Diagrams in the navigation bar. Open the diagram you want to export and click the file name in the top left corner. Choose Export from the drop-down menu, and the export panel will appear on the right side. Follow the same export settings as we did for the diagram project, and you're good to go. And that's it. You now know how to export diagrams from both diagram and site planning projects. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.